Molly my bean, 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 Molly my bean. I'm in that link, Molly my bean, Araction link, Molly my bean, Molly my bean, Molly my bean. I'm in the lane.
2 cylinders there. Stripping starts out. Gonna rebuild this thing in one day. Lekker? Yeah. That's the talk. Must exploits. Korean brown. Okay, broken motor. So what we're gonna do today is rebuild this whole thing and then put the cylinder and put it back together because this guy took his car to the industrial area and did craft and things to it and now it's broken. Yeah, go. So okay, so what we need to do now is we need to remove the branch and then we're gonna pull all these studs out as ARP head studs just to check if everything's alright there, and then from there Nevine, drain oil, and then we're gonna do what they call up and under. I don't know if you guys know what that is. You know what up and under is. We're gonna rebuild the engine inside the car. And the camera is on now, everyone is quiet. Nah guys, man, be normal, yo. Yes, so look at thick. Let me zoom in for you guys. Look at that back tire there. Yeah. So that's what we have to do. I'm not going to record the whole time because we obviously have to work as well at the same time. I'm going to jack this thing up and then rebuild this B20 vtec. There's the oil line feed. It's got the studs. We're going to rip apart the bottom end. We're going to see there's some ARPs in here. We did buy extra ARPs. I won't say who built this engine, but you guys know that guy. We're not going to say anything. So we're going to see if there's ARP studs in the bottom. And we're going to re-ring this thing, hone it out, put new bearings in, clean the deck surface. The cylinder is there on the table. Nevine is busy with his combustion chambers. He's porting that out, and then we're going to do the ports and stuff now. How far are you with the head?
50%.
50% on the head. So yeah, starts out first and then we take it from there. Yeah, for once I'm not under the corner. Oil is out. Nevine is busy taking the branch off back there. We'll take his manifold off so we can take the sump off. Get you like a shot there of the quality. What is the 14?
13.
13. There is a 13 on there. You have it? Yeah, okay. Ew. Smells gross. I'll give you guys an update here. This thickness. There's our splash tray. Nevine took off the splash tray. They took off the pickup. Branch is off. And we are gonna do what now? Pistons. Pull out pistons. And then we're gonna assess from there. Hopefully we find some ARPs. If we don't, yeah. 3, 1, 4, 2. All the rings stripped already. So now, what do you think now? Paul? Okay, Lindsay, how's it going?
It's going good.
Yeah, no. So cleaning out the bore now, we're gonna assess that, see how much of our own it needs. We also discovered that the rods are in your pure 4 rods. We're not gonna name that guy that built this, but guys swap the world. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna assess that quick fast. Still the same day. Sun is out. Probably busy for solidly labor wise an hour. No, the hour, give or take. The rest of it was us doing our thing. So we're gonna assess there, and then we have some fresh Hastings also. Wait, I forgot. And then yeah, Hastings and King bearings. This thing actually still had factory Honda bearings in. Yeah. Yeah, King standard, Hastings. So yeah, good. Alright. Yeah. So we started on the cylinder combustion chambers. The issue we had, what is the issue, Vino? Nothing. Nah, we are gonna put ARP rod bolts in.
That's the issue. Sorry, I forgot.
Yeah.
That's the issue.
Those guys don't have rod bolts in, so we're gonna get a set here delivered, and we're gonna put in some ARP rod bolts. We started on the head already, looking nice and angry. Maybe light from the top out of the bowl. Put it against the thing. And then the stock guy, fat. So yeah, part 2 guys, part 2, and the call start. Say something there? Nothing.
Nah, I'm just happy. That's all I can say. I'm happy.
Wait, Lindsay, put the light on, Lindsay. And then?
That's good.
No. Yep, car's out the garage. Sorry for the shaky video. I'm on my phone, so busy with combustion chambers on Nevine's car there. There's a dude, and then customer's little non-vtec rocker. So I don't know. He's probably gonna explain. You know what else must you still do?
I'm still busy blending.
Mm-hmm.
And then once we get the ARP rod bolts,
Yeah.
then we'll be building the motor.
Cool.
Putting it
So
all together.
just so we know for the video, because we never did it, what is the setup in the car?
This is basically Cape Town stock B20 vtec.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna say what pistons is in,
Yeah.
but okay, yeah, we know it's a stock B20 vtec.
Yeah.
Cape Town stock.
Yep.
Rod bolts, head bolts.
Studs. Yeah. Yeah. Head studs, rod bolts.
Yeah.
Breathing mods. Branch.
Branch and cold air.
Yeah. What kind of branch you have? 4x2x1, 4x1? What do you have?
There's a branch, yeah.
Like a Megan rip, no? 4x1, and the exhaust size only by you?
That's us.
63?
63.
Okay, so 63 more one box, 4x1 branch, cold air. No intake for now, no? I know. We're gonna get to intake. We're gonna finish these cylinder heads, and then plans for the future.
Plans for the future, we're gonna do intake,
Yep.
different branch, and exhaust, basically.
Yeah. Cams? No cams?
And cams, yeah.
Yeah. But step by step, so you guys can see we're actually gonna take our time with this thing. So we're nice and passive here. That's Nevine's work. I like it. That combustion chamber is gonna breathe. I give you perspective. So that's his chamber, still rough cuts, and then this is a factory combustion chamber. So you can actually see how much work went into it. This one here actually hit piston to valve, so we removed some of it, and then I'm gonna do the ports, and then Nevine's gonna do the combustion chambers here because that's his thing. He's actually good at it. So we're just gonna transfer that force over into there. So we're gonna have to stop the vlog at this point because yeah, the rod bolts we ordered, and yeah, that's about it. Anything you want to say still?
I'm actually excited for this build.
Yeah.
I was waiting a long time for the build.
Yeah. Because I mean, the story behind that build was we got the motor, we bought the car. They told us it's a
Some person
built it.
big name.
Yeah, there was this and that in it, and we took the thing apart, and then yeah,
That whistle says everything. That whistle
So
says
yeah.
everything.
Then again, guys, we're gonna buy a car next time rather than not take anyone's word for it. If you haven't seen the engine parts themselves,
Yeah.
check it. Let me just show you guys. Oh, there's no light there, but yeah, give us some light there, me white one.
That's what I was.
Yeah, that thing is cut. So then we can show them a stock chamber maybe, and then you can have a look at that also, and a stock port. So yeah, this is stock, and then this is how far he's taking it so far. This thing's gonna breathe. It's gonna make some jam, and once we get the rod bolts, I think we'll give you guys part 2 of the vlog. For now, we are just going to keep doing what we do. Yeah, passive. So anyway, peace out. In the next vlog, part 2, we put Vino's car together. Hopefully we started on driving oil, whatever and stuff we're doing. Hastings rings, king bearings, crank is standard, everything is there. And then we'll take it from there. We might throw intake on, actually. I think we might throw intake on, to be honest with you guys. But we'll see in the vlog. So yeah.
Molly my bean, Molly my bean, Molly my bean.